Buying a new manufactured home is an exciting milestone, but don't expect to move in the moment it arrives. While it may be tempting to show up with your moving boxes, setting up a manufactured home is a multi-step process that takes time, care, and coordination. Here's what happens between delivery day and move-in day, and why giving the setup crew time to do it right is well worth it. The first major step is getting the home blocked and level. In most regions, this means using concrete blocks to set the home in place. Depending on the trucking schedule, the house may be temporarily placed on wooden blocks, then later lowered onto its permanent foundation using jacks. In some cases, the transport crew will hang the house directly onto permanent blocks, skipping a step and saving time. Once the home is securely in place, the crew begins installing the skirting. This not only improves the home's appearance, but also helps with insulation and pest protection. Depending on crew size and home length, skirting typically takes half a day to a full day. For homes in manufactured home parks, the electrician will run tech cable from the home to a centralized kiosk where hydrometers are located. Once connected, it's a simple call to the power company to activate service. For homes on private land, the process includes having a meter installed on site. This extra step can cause delays depending on the utility company's schedule. Water and sewer hookups happen once the home is leveled. Ideally, your water line should exit the ground directly beneath where it enters the home, usually below the hot water tank, to minimize exposure in cold climates. Heat tape is used in freezing regions to prevent water lines from freezing. Sewer connections depend on the home's layout. Larger homes often have 2 or more sewer drops at bathrooms, the kitchen, and the utility room to ensure proper slope and minimize plumbing complications. Next up, access. You'll need steps, a landing, or a deck, or all three. A common setup includes a small landing and stairs at the front door and a larger deck at the back, perfect for outdoor relaxation and entertaining. While landscaping isn't required before moving in, many homeowners prefer to complete it beforehand for a clean, finished look. Tasks like laying turf or pouring sidewalks can be done after utility hookups and skirting are complete. Before listing the home for sale or moving in, a verification will be conducted to ensure that all systems, including plumbing, electrical, and heat tape, are functioning properly. Some final tasks, like pressure washing and interior cleaning, may be completed last. Setting up a manufactured home is a detailed process that typically takes about a week, but the timeline can vary based on property type, utility access, and crew availability. While it's possible to move in sooner, rushing the setup process can lead to long-term headaches. Allow your setup team to do things right the first time. When the work is complete, you'll be stepping into a well-built, fully functioning home that's ready to enjoy.